Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Connor and this video you're watching today is all about the Mercedes SLK R717 chassis, which is a circa 2006 to 2011 shape. We've removed the very antiquated head unit because the customer requested far more mod-con features of 2025. So we've installed a new touchscreen unit. This is the KENWOOD DMX8021, extremely popular unit. You've probably seen loads of these on our channel. You get 3-year warranty on it when we install by ourselves as well, so good peace of mind there. Now if I turn it on so you can actually see what this works like for you. We've put the Mercedes logo on, which you can do on majority of units, which is quite a nice little touch, so it's more in keeping with the vehicle when you first turn it on. Get rid of the disclaimer which comes up every time. Now this unit, I'm going to show you, it's got wireless Apple CarPlay, which my phone is already connected remotely from the previous connection I had on it. So now the customer's got access to Google Maps, Waze navigation, TomTom if you pay for it, Apple Maps if you prefer it, as well as all the music apps you could possibly want, like YouTube Music, Tidal, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, and even Amazon Music, as well as internet radio. Now if you like your DAB, we've also got DAB on this as well. So if I go to DAB on here, and then go to the magnifying glass, I've got all customers' DAB channels, which is lots. We're in Reading, Berkshire, so there's quite a few stations here. We've then got to fit a DAB aerial to pick up the DAB signal, which is just there. That's what that is. This car never came with DAB, so it needed an aerial to be fitted. We've also installed a microphone just there as well to pick up Siri and voice control and do all the phone calls for you. It's a really nice unit. The KENWOOD, all your steering wheel controls work as well on the steering wheel, as well as answer, hang up, volume up and down, and track up and down. So all your steering wheel controls work. This unit also supports a reverse camera as well, so if you want to add a reverse camera to this, albeit it's a bit tricky on the SLK platform, the reverse camera can also be added as well. It also supports Android Auto, but sorry, we're all Apple fanboys here, so I've got no Android Auto footage on this demonstration, but it does support Android Auto, so you get the Android Auto operating system as well. But yeah, it's a great unit. Really personalised. You can change all the illumination from the bottom to match the colour of the illumination at night on your car. We've obviously put it to orange because the lights on there are orange at night. But yeah, it's a good unit. We use a flush fit fascia as well, so you can see how well it meets up with the KENWOOD unit and how well the match is between that and the panel below, which is factory Mercedes. It's a really good finish, really good fit. This is the Mercedes SLK R717 with the KENWOOD DMX8021 fitted by the professionals at John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Connor, got Matt who installed it, and from all the boys at John Kleis Car Audio, we wish you well. See you later.